Hi guys, welcome back to MUGSHOT by Zeba. So for those of you who don't know, I've made it to the top 15 of the Face Awards India competition. So just for your information, I had already shot this video about like a week back. I swear to God, only a genius like me could do something like that, where instead of keeping the camera normal landscape mode to take a video, I kept it in portrait mode. Can you believe that? So basically, like, I've unboxed everything already, but this actually made things a lot easier because I've placed out all the makeup very neatly, which you can see right behind me, and I'll take you through it once I show you all the fun stuff that came along with the makeup. I swear to God, this was like the bestest thing ever because the day that the results were announced was my birthday, the 4th of May, and I could not have asked for a better birthday present. And this coming in like a week later was just cherry on the icing. Okay, so the first thing that came out of that box was this. Can you see it? So this is the first thing that came out of the box, and this is a laptop case. Super cool. My laptop's easily gonna fit into this. I love it. Thank you so much. Next, cosmetics. And next was this. For those of you who know me, or for those of you who don't, now you will know. I am obsessed with holographic stuff to another level. Like if I could like have my whole house filled with like holographic furniture and like holographic everything, basically I would have that. So like to get this, oh my god, like I'm super excited. It's basically just a cute little lip shaped pouch. It says follow me to hashtag NYX Cosmetics in Orbit Malad. I'm assuming this is the hashtag for their Mumbai branch, the store. Okay, next was this other super cute pink holographic wallet looking thing. Initially I thought it was a wallet, but wait for the surprise. You open it and ta-da! It's a tote bag. Super cute, right? Super fancy and like very functional, especially for like when you're traveling and everything. Very cool, very cool. NYX professional makeup. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I show it later. Next was this super cool mirror, handheld mirror, which is gonna come in like super handy for when I'm making my future videos. Next, we got this cute little ring light. Can I have my phone, please? Which basically clasps onto your phone like that, so you can take really fancy well-lit selfies. So that's bomb and super. I'm pretty sure like if you shop on Nika for like a certain amount, they send this to you for free. So guys, you know where you need to get shopping. And finally, I got this super cute card saying congrats, thank you very much. And at the back it says, welcome to the top 15. Here's a little bit of love from us to help you grab a place in the top 6. We know you're going to kill it in the Drop Dead Gorgeous Challenge. Submissions 11 May to 5th June. I just have like a little under 2 weeks left to get that video ready. I'm sure all the other contestants are like super nervous and excited as well. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys the look that I'm coming up with for this first challenge. I am super duper pumped about it. And yeah, so without any further ado, I'm gonna take you through all the makeup that I got in this in this fabulous box. Oh my god, the packaging is just bomb. I really hope I win, and then my looks are featured on this box next year. Wouldn't that be bomb? That'd be so bomb, honey. That'd be really bomb. Okay, moving on. Oh, and I totally forgot. We also got this super cute little lip-shaped ring for your phone. So you just basically clasp it onto your phone, and it makes holding ginormous phones like this and working them a lot easier. Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna get started with all the eyeshadow palettes that I got first. These are all the eyeshadow palettes that I've gotten from NYX Professional Makeup. If you're interested in seeing the swatches, then keep an eye out on my Instagram, because that's where I'll be posting the swatches for all of the products. Okay? All of the products. Okay. Moving on, we've got 2 lashes from NYX Cosmetics, NYX Be Wicked in number 1 and number 4. All of these are concealers. All of these are the NYX Liquid Suede. Again, I've swatched all of this because I'd shot this video before. So I have all of that ready, and I'll be posting that up on my Instagram for all those of you who are interested. These are the Intense Butter Glosses. Oh my god, I cannot tell you guys, these colors are mad. Especially this one and this orange one. Looks absolutely mental and amazing for the summer. These are the ombre lip colors. I cannot tell you how amazing these are. Super duper uber bomb. This is a little sculpting product that we got. It's supposed to be a highlight and contour duo. I'm pretty sure I could use both the colors for contouring for myself. One for when I want to go quite intense, and the other for when I want to go more natural. Moving on. These are the liquid liners. The Glam Line Aqualine. What's it called? The Glam Liner Aqualux. Sorry. And then I got these NYX Vivid Brights. Oh my god, I am obsessed with these liners. So I have the sapphire and the light yellow and all the other colors, white and everything. These 2 I didn't have, so I'm super duper excited that I got it. These are all the lip liners that I got from NYX, and I've again swatched all of them, so keep your eyes out. NYX Cosmic Metals. These actually look really bomb. I thought they'd look a bit too 90s on the wrong side, but oh my god, they surprised me. They look really good once applied. And these blushes, oh my god, they were out of stock on Nykaa when I wanted to order these. I'm so happy I've gotten both of them. These are the eye pencils, brow pomade, gel liner, eye pencils. I've been using this one for the last 1 week, and guys, it is matte black and so easy to use, and it's so convenient for when you're traveling, because I have been traveling over the last 1 week. This one right here, the NYX 2 timer, because you have kajal on one side and a liner on the other. Super duper convenient. Then we got the Doll Eye mascara. We got 3 bomb brushes, 2 of those, and this one, and then the NYX Mineral Set It, Don't Fret It, NYX No Filter powder. We got 2 of those in different colors. Unfortunately, my NYX finishing powder broke during transit. I mean, that's how I got it, but don't fret, I'm gonna fix it with some alcohol. This is the NYX Micellar Water. I love that you guys have sent us a big bottle of it. I love. We got the Angel Veil primer. This is oil-free skin perfecting primer. That's cool. I'm looking forward to using it. Then we've got the NYX Studio Photogenic HD foundation. Oh my god, this was like my favorite product ever, and I use this when I was traveling. It is basically a holographic highlighter. It is mad. It is a stroke of genius. It's true, the name is apt. Then the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. Super. These are all the odd ones. I sort of kept them here. Okay. This is the Full Throttle eyeshadow stick in blue. It's actually like really pigmented, you guys, that blue. I need to figure out how to use the NYX Vamped Up lip top coat because it's black in color. I have to figure out how to use it. Then I've got the NYX Hydro Touch brightener. I'm assuming that is to brighten up under your brows or like the inner corners of your eyes. And the same with the Strawberry Milk Crayon Jumbo Pencil. And then we got the Wavy Glow highlighter. It's a bomb bronze color. Again, perfect for the summer. And then we got the NYX Mineral Stick Foundation. I'm yet to try. I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, you guys, these are basically all of the products. Let me zoom out. These are all of the products that I received in that fabulous gift box. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and all the amazing goodies that came in it. I'd like to say a huge thank you to our sponsors for the Face Awards India competition, Nykaa and Audio Network. Thank you so very much for all that you're doing for us. Like, this is just amazing. All of the makeup and oh my god, Audio Network, your music selection is mad. For those of you who haven't checked out the website yet, you must. Not just because we're using it now, but because we're able to use this right now. It's amazing. So again, Face Awards India, thank you so much for it. And NYX Professional Makeup. Okay, you guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post new content. Also, head over to my Instagram and follow me there because I keep you posted with all sorts of nonsensical shenanigans, all of course beauty included summer. And I'll also keep you posted about the Face Awards India competition because moving into the top 6 all depends on you. I'm so excited to show you guys the look that I'm coming up, as I'm sure all the other contestants are as well, and we're really gonna need your help moving forward to the top 6 because you guys get to decide, you get to vote. So keep your eyes and ears open and I'll see you on the other side. Mwah.